In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Walmart account through the Help Center chat. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type walmart.com/help, then press enter. Give the page a moment to load fully. If your connection is a bit slow, just wait until all the links and sections appear so everything works smoothly. Once the help page is open, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Keep going until you reach the footer area. There, look for the customer service link and click it. This will take you to Walmart's main support area where you can get in touch with their virtual assistant. On the customer service page, find the chat option and open it. When the chat window appears, you'll usually see a list of common topics. Choose something else. If the assistant offers more menus, select something else again. When it narrows things further, click the option labeled "It's something else." This tells the assistant you need help outside the standard categories. Now type, "I need to delete my account." Keep it short and clear. The chat should then provide an option related to closing your account. When you see close account, click it. From there, choose the option presented to proceed. You've now reached the correct path for requesting account deletion. A couple of tips as you go. Interface labels can change from time to time, so if the exact wording looks a little different, aim for the choices that mean the same thing as something else and close account. Also, be patient with the chat responses. Let each message finish loading before you click the next option. If the assistant offers to connect you to an agent, that's normal. Be ready to confirm basic details so they can locate the correct account. For privacy, share only what's necessary inside the chat. Before you complete the request, make sure you've taken care of anything you might need later, like downloading receipts or checking the status of open orders. Account deletion is typically permanent, so it's best to be certain. And that's the process. Search for walmart.com/help on Google, open the help page, scroll to the bottom, and click customer service, open the chat, pick something else, choose something else again, select "It's something else." Type, "I need to delete my account," click close account, and then choose the option provided to move forward. Follow those prompts,